Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A5 with its key. To begin, locate the unlock button on your key fob. A single press will unlock just the driver's door, a useful security feature. For full access, press the unlock button a second time within a few seconds. This action unlocks all 4 doors and the trunk, preparing your vehicle for entry. Remember to be within approximately 50 feet for optimal remote operation. Sometimes, your remote battery might be low, or the car battery is flat. Don't worry, your Audi A5 key fob has a hidden mechanical key. Simply find the small release button on the side of the fob and slide out the metal blade. Then, look closely at the driver's door handle. You'll find a small keyhole. Insert the mechanical key and turn it gently to manually unlock your door. Opening the trunk of your Audi A5 is straightforward. The easiest way is to press and hold the dedicated trunk release button on your key fob for about 2 to 3 seconds. If you're already inside the car, look for a trunk release button, typically located on the driver's side panel. For convenience, many Audi A5 models also feature a discrete button directly on the trunk lid itself. To secure your Audi A5, simply press the lock button on your key fob once. You should hear a confirmation chirp and see the indicator lights flash, confirming all doors and the trunk are locked. For added peace of mind, always give each door a gentle tug to ensure it's fully latched. This simple habit helps keep your vehicle safe and sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.